Hi, I'm Amy Phillips. Welcome to the instructional video for Kyocera's newest capture and distribution business app, Kyocera HomePOINT. Today's fast-paced, competitive business environment demands that people have timely access to their most critical files, such as presentations, billing statements, invoices, project plans, signed contracts, or advertising materials. Loss of these documents or delays in retrieving them is not an option. With Kyocera HomePOINT, you now have an enterprise-wide portal directly to and from your personal Microsoft Active Directory network home folder from a Kyocera high-pass-enabled MFP. This means increased efficiency in accessing your most important asset, the documents that power your business.
Kyocera HomePOINT allows you to digitize documents without having to install any software on your local workstations, enabling your business to further leverage its existing IT infrastructure. Kyocera's HomePOINT Advanced allows you to not only scan documents, but also print documents directly from your network home folder for instant document capture and retrieval. Active Directory is the most common server-based IT management solution used to control IT infrastructure and simplify usability for employees. Every Microsoft Windows user has a profile stored in Active Directory, which links to a network folder designated as your home directory or home folder. Users have read-write access to these home folders, as well as the ability to browse their secure document files from any network PC attached to the domain. To maximize productivity, Kyocera HomePOINT Advanced offers a bidirectional connection between the files stored in your home folder and your high-pass-enabled Kyocera MFP. This full version of Kyocera HomePOINT allows you to browse and search subfolders within your home folder, create new subfolders, and print from or scan to those folders. When scanning files, this saves you the extra step of having to go back to your PC and move a document to the proper place. For advanced security, HomePOINT is easily integrated with an optional HID card reader for even more streamlined access to your important documents. And without any special middleware or server add-ons, HomePOINT is easily managed and maintained, eliminating the need for costly IT support and configuration, reducing burden on IT staff. Let me show you how it works. From the Kyocera MFP's touchscreen, launch the HomePOINT application. Simply select your account and enter the same login credentials used to access your PC. After the first time you enter the password, you have the option to register your HID card for faster future login. With Kyocera HomePOINT Advanced installed, you can now browse, search, and create subfolders in your personal network home folder directly from your MFP's control panel. To place a newly digitized document into your folder, select Scan, then choose your preferred scan settings. You have the option of scanning a PDF, TIFF, or JPEG file type, and can choose color or black and white, resolution, and a variety of other options. Now place your document in the document processor and start the scan. With Kyocera HomePOINT Advanced, you can also print PDF documents that are already in your network home folder. Simply browse or search for the PDF file you wish to print, select the file, and press print.
For Microsoft organizations already managing users with Active Directory, Kyocera HomePOINT is an efficient, secure, and cost-effective way to scan documents to and print from your Active Directory home folders from any networked Kyocera MFP.